We will discuss about HCF, that is highest common factor. Highest common factor. So in our lower classes already we studied how to find the factors for the given numbers. Now suppose you have 2 and 4. What are the factors of 2? 2 you can write it as 1 into 2 or 2 into 1. You cannot write 2 as a product of any other two numbers. So here the factors of 2 are 1 and 2. Now similarly if I take 4. 4 can be written as 1 into 4 or 4 into 1 or 2 into 2. So what are the factors of 4? 1, 2 and 4. Now what are the common factors for 2 and 4? 1 is there between, 1 is there in both 2 and 4 and 2 is also there. So the common factors of 2 and 4 are 1 and 2. So the common factors of 2 and 4 are 1 and 2. What is the highest one? 2. 2 is the highest common factor. So the HCF of 2 and 4 is 2. So similarly, we can find the highest common factors for, suppose say 9 and 12. 9 and 12. What are the factors of 9? 1 into 9. So you can write 1, 9. 3 into 3 you can write. So 3. And then can you write 9 as a product of any other two numbers? No. So the factors are 1, 3 and 9. I'll write it in an order. That is the factors are 1, 3, 9. Now let us try to find out what are the factors of 12. What are the factors of 12? 1 into 12 I can write. 2 into 6 I can write. So 2, 6. 4 into 3 I can write. So 4 and 3. 3 and 4. And 12 into 1. So what are the factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. What are the common factors? 1 and also 3. So what is the highest common factor of? Highest common factor is 3. The highest common factor is 3. So this one, now here the examples what I am taking are very small, 9, 12 like that. Now suppose if I want to find the highest common factor of 72 and 128, then it will be, suppose I want to find the highest common factor of 72 and 128. Then I have to write all the factors of 72, all the factors of 128, then list out the common factors between these two, and then I have to write the highest common factor. So for finding the highest common factor, there is a method, that is now here 2 and 4. So what I have to do here, to find the common factors of 2 and 4, 2 and 4, divide it. 2 2s are 4, 0. So here the remainder is 0. So here the common factor is 2. The HCF is 2. Now even if you are doing by finding the factors also, we got the HCF is 2. Similarly, if you want to find the HCF of 9 and 12, that is 9 divided by 12. 9 1 is 9. 12 minus 9 is 3. Now here I did not get the remainder 0. I have to repeat this till I get the remainder 0. Again I have to divide this by whatever I have here. The divisor 9. Then 3 3s are 9, 0. I got the remainder 0. So this is called as the highest common factor. Even if you are finding it by writing all the common factors, you are getting the highest HCF is 3. Kindly subscribe, like and share this channel.